Hey guys, Josh from Ed Down Jacked Up Adventures here, and I just wanted to take a second to talk to you about our Kut-Snake arches. Now, we featured these in our rig walk around, but we get a lot of questions about these, and on the last show we did, we had a lot of people coming up and asking us several questions. The first one being, what are the rules of wide tyres in the UK? And then, will my truck fail an MOT like this? To pass an MOT, that when your wheels are straight, your fender flares cover over them, okay? Your wheel arches cover over them. It will fail an MOT. Now, obviously, that does depend on the tester in the station, but a police officer is well within his rights to pull you over if your wheels are sticking out. So if you don't want to run that risk, these are a fantastic option. Another question we get asked a lot is, how durable are they? Now, we know there's a lot of fiberglass and plastic copies out there, but I wouldn't be beating on fiberglass or plastic. Now, I have managed to smash one off-road, okay? We had a tree trunk go in. In fact, it was this one right here. We had a tree trunk go in, bend the panel in, smash the arch. All I did was get in touch with Kutsnake, and they allowed me to buy one single arch to replace. So it was super simple. So these are made out of an ABS molded plastic, and when you fit them to something like we have with big tires, you may well need to modify them when you fit them. We have had to, due to our articulation, cut up the inside here, so when we are on full lock, the tyre goes right up inside the arch. So what we did is we just cut here this section out, but we've left all of this in for strengthening, as you can see. And on our Mitsubishi, it has a weird bumper remoulding, so we just had to ever so gently cut the end off, as well as a little bit of fettling to fit. Now, that's all different depending on what model vehicle you have, but they are super easy to work with, okay? When you come to fit them, the best way I have found, and I fit a few on ours and helped other people with theirs, is get some clamps, some sash clamps, just clamp them onto your body, okay? You can mark where you want to drill the holes, drill some small holes. They come with the rubber strip to save your paintwork, and they come with self-tapping bolts. So they're not stuck on with tape. They are really easy. These guys, Kutsnake, are fantastic products. If you want Kutsnake, make sure you look for the Kutsnake logo, which I was about to try and show you on ours until I realised I wrapped a painted over them just for it to match the rest of the truck. They also come in two different sizes. Ours are the 90 or 95 mil, which is the biggest, and I think they come in a 60 mil size as well if you don't have such offset tyres. So feel free to go and look at a stockist near you.
Air down, jacked up, just the way we like the truck. Gassed up, mud ready, take that lifted bad boy up. Air down, jacked up, just the way we like the truck. Gassed up, mud ready, take that lifted bad boy up. Adventure calling, quit your